These little babies, delicious. They are delicious. It's just a tomato that's not ripe. Got to get firmy ones. Got to get really nice and hard ones, which work best. The crunchy, the tart. They need some help, but Southerners love them, and they're fantastic deep fried. Great with a BLT. Imagine that on a BLT. Amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them about 1/4 inch thick. Right, I'm going to put my tomatoes on some paper towel just to dry them. At this stage, some people put salt on, sugar, just to balance that tartness out. You don't need to do it. I don't do it. But, you know, you do what you do. Right, I'm going to get my breading station going. So I'm going to add normal milk. Some people use buttermilk. I'm not a fan of it. I just like normal milk. And I'm going to use 2 eggs. Get them in, and then just give that a whisk. So add the breadcrumbs and the cornmeal together. Salt and pepper. I've changed my mind now. We're going to put some garlic powder in there, but I think some onion powder would be nice in there as well. And then just get in there with your hands and mix. And then add the flour on a separate bowl or plate. Oh, I'm ready. This is going to be delicious. I'm so excited. My tomatoes are ready. Got my flour, got my milk and egg mixture. I got my cornmeal, I got my breadcrumbs ready. My oil's getting hot. And there's no bloody meat in sight, and this is going to be amazing. Just a little salt and pepper on top.